The day we tested, we got 187 positives. There were only 747 tests. Secondly, the thing is, initially we were testing around 3,000, 2,600, 3,000. Why the number has come down?
Because we have also taken, see,
just read, the graph has gone down, but it is really gone down, or it is because of the testing is less?
टेस्टिंग लेस अशें म्हणू शकना, कित्याक आमी ठरयल्लें आसा की व्हडल्यो कंपनी बी पयलीं आमचे कडेन जे येताले तांकां सांगलां तुमी प्रायवेट लॅब कडेन वचून दे कॅन अफोर्ड टू टेस्ट द पीपल. आवर्स इज फॉर द पीपल ऑफ द स्टेट ऑफ गोवा. So automatically if he says that it is come down by 5, but I as a part of this government, we ourselves are saying that we need to maintain about 2,000 to 2,500, say around about 2,000 it should not drop below 2,000. It may not happen, but that does not mean testing has it does not mean that testing has gone down or testing, because testing is still happening in private labs. So we will now we have the power to take the information from private labs, also number of testing that is taking place, to share it with you whenever we are here. So it is important. Why should the government spend for companies who can afford, multinational companies? They can test their own employees. Now tomorrow Mopa construction, every day they wanted to bring 250 people here to test. Why should I test? They can afford to test themselves by tying up with a private lab. So basically, also another thing is travelers. Testing has been stopped and people also should come forward to test. चडशे कितें जालां तुमकां सांगता, प्रॉमिनंट लोक जे आहा ते आपल्या घराचेर स्टिकर लावंक सोदिना आनी म्हणून भायर सरना. सो ह्यो गोश्टी आमी तांकां सांगूं शकना न्ही. तेणी येवन टेस्ट करून घेवंक जाय. आमचे कडेन जे कोण येता आमी तेंचे टेस्ट करून घेता. आतां ते ऑलरेडी इन्स्ट्रक्शन दिल्ले आसा. What you are saying is that large number of companies today, they have tied up with the respective private labs and they are doing it. Our job is to test the citizens. And
private labs are required to notify the government number of tests conducted as well as the...
We can get you that information also.
No,
what we are talking.
Also reflects in the bulletin. No? I think you must be informing the DHS.
Is it?
Yeah, all the test, any laboratory which is doing the test, antigen test or the RT-PCR test, they have to upload it on the portal.
National portal.
Every ICMR with the Aadhaar card and all, they have to upload it on the portal.
Okay, but then that figure doesn't reflect.
No, all that is reflected here.
Because the question was like...
I got the question. I also said, that's why I said from the beginning, as a state government, we should not drop below 2,000. 2,000 to 2,500 should be a minimum testing per day.
So the bulletin contains the private test also.
That's what these doctors say. So what?
Even then the tests are dropped.
Even if the tests are dropped.
The test is dropped.
Confirm that.
You should confirm. One sec.
When you say 747 tests done, 187, it is 20% of the positivity.
The day which you are quoting is normally Saturdays and Sundays. Generally, you will see that on Sundays the numbers are a little less across the country because people come forward. That particular day when you are saying 700 something, that was I think Sunday. So
yeah, even then there are on an average only 1,200 tests.
yes.
I agree with you. That's why I just have said just now that we have moved a note also that we should ensure that the person who's tested under home isolation, what is the SOP for testing his full family, and also what is his contact tracing, to what extent we will go. Those SOPs should be framed immediately so that we do not drop below 2,000 to 2,500. Minimum 2,000 tests a day for a state like Goa. We have to conduct the tests. We cannot drop. So this has been already being addressed. I have already taken it up 3-4 days back. Secretary was also, we have already discussed this. I have discussed it with the Chief Minister. इतले हेजे पोना वचून अर्थ ना. हे टेस्टिंग जावंक जाय. टेस्टिंग जाल्यारूच आमकां खरें पिक्चर कितें आहा तें एक्झॅक्टली कळटलें. टेस्टिंग जेन्ना रेट देंवता न्ही, आतां तुवें जे प्रश्न विचारले तुका एक ऑनस्ट आन्सर दिता. टेस्टिंग जेन्ना देंवता ऑटोमॅटिकली नंबर ऑफ केसीस बी देंवतले आनी तेज्या खातीर आमकां एक फॉल्स सेन्स ऑफ सॅटिस्फॅक्शन घेवन रावपाची गरज ना. हांवें पयलींच्यान फॉल्स सेन्स ऑफ सॅटिस्फॅक्शनचो शब्द वापरला. त्याच बरोबर आमी सरकार म्हणून मुख्यमंत्री कडेन ऑलरेडी चर्चा केल्या की इतलें आमकां टेस्टिंग करूंक जाय. आनी चडशें आमकां ते एंटिजन टेस्टिंगाचेर अर्लियर इट वॉज एंटिजन टेस्टिंग केल्यार उपकारता. आनी एंटिजन टेस्टिंगाचेर कॅपिंग आहा गव्हर्मेंट ऑफ इंडियाचो रेट आनी इज मोर अफोर्डेबल टू डू इट ऑन अ मास बेस. बट नॉट बिफोर कितें जातालें, पीपल इन्सिस्टेड द होल विलेज टू बी टेस्टेड. लायक दॅट यू कॅनॉट डू. You have to have very focused and it has to be very methodical. So we will do it. So give us another couple of days. We will put all these systems in place.